Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the spicy Chipotle chicken wrap from A&W. Now this is a value option and it looks pretty good. It's got a chicken tender thing, some spicy Chipotle mayo, and Monterey Jack cheese. This has 320 calories and 11.7 grams of protein, so it's not terrible. It's got a little bit of protein in there, so I want to eat this and give my honest review on it. Not bad. Not a lot of sauce though. And the flour tortilla is a little dry, but it does taste good. Not too bad. Not that hot, but it's got a little tiny kick to it. I think this Chipotle mayo's got a... Don't know how to describe it. It's not very spicy, but I can taste it. I probably would get this with extra sauce because there wasn't a whole lot on it, and that's probably what would give this its flavor. Chicken's a little bit dry usually, so something like this could definitely benefit from a little bit more sauce. Cheese was nice though. It does have that Monterey Jack feel, which I really like, and it goes together well with the sauce and the chicken and all the lettuce too. So the spicy Chipotle chicken wrap from A&W, I would give this an 7.5 to an 8 out of 10. It's a pretty good chicken wrap, and I like that it's got that different type of cheese, a little bit of different sauce. There's not really many things that have got a Chipotle mayo on it, so that's cool. And the lettuce nice too. Tortilla, I wish it would came in a whole wheat. That'd be really nice, or something thinner, because this was a lot of bread. I don't know, I feel like it makes up a lot of this wrap. So yeah, that's my only comments on that. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.